In this video, let's talk about how you can invest in the stock market from your phone. So if you're busy, you have a business, you have a very not toxic, but you have a very stressful profession that allows you or pushes you to be on the go all the time, or if you travel a lot, this video is for you. I want to show you that because of the internet and because of technology and because of mobile phones, you can trade the markets with confidence. So it's a misconception that you cannot watch the stock market every day, because you can do it. All it takes is just a few seconds of your time. All it takes is you executing and doing the best that you can to learn what it is. So if you are a person who wants to learn more on how you can invest in the stock market from your phone, this video is for you. Check this video out. Hi everyone, this is Marvin Germo. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, smash that bell so you get updated every time I create new content about the stock market. So I create daily videos on helpful tips on how you can create strategies on how you can use the stock market over a stretched period of time to be able to win. Because I really believe the stock market is one of the greatest investments out there and you should invest. Enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, for this video, we're gonna talk about how you can invest using an app that allows you to connect and buy and sell stocks. People think that you need to call a broker to be able to buy and sell. Please remember, the internet has changed everything. Now, you can buy and sell stocks in less than a second. Now, you can transact and check what's happening to your portfolio, to the stocks that you want in less than a few seconds. Now, you can check the charts in just a few seconds wherever you are in the world. Now, you can also do research wherever you are in the world. So, what I'm gonna show you is an application by First Metro Sec. It's called First Metro Sec Go. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna log in to this app first, so you get to see how it is. So this is my reaction on this is my reaction. This is a reaction video on what I believe the stock is, or the platform is as well, so that you also see it firsthand. You get to experience it firsthand as well, so that at the end of the day, you get to make holistic decisions whether you're supposed to invest in something or not. So I try to give you the data. At the end of the day, it's you who's supposed to be executing. At the end of the day, it's you who's supposed to be doing what you can to be able to have the right tools for you to be able to execute and win properly, because that's all I want. Okay, so we're now in. So as you can see, when you go into the home page, it's something very sleek. It's something amazing. Why? One look, one glance, it looks very high-tech. One look, one glance, it looks something that's very user-friendly. So if you're a person who's not really techy, at least in one go, in one glance, you get everything that you need. So upon logging in, it shows you different facets. It shows you market condition, what's happening to the market for the day. It shows you the stock that you would want to buy, the second tab. Then it shows you if you would want to execute your portfolio, and then your watch list. So what's interesting about it also, if you look at the home screen, you already see the index for the day, the change, the chart, volume, value, the winners, the losers, how many stocks won, then the total transacted stocks, the total. What's interesting about that is you can press this tab and it will show you other details that you want to know. So if you want to look at the sub indices, or if you want to look at local and foreign trades. So for this, we know that 41% of the transactions were made by locals and 59% were made by foreigners. Then we can also see the top winners and the top losers. Personally, these are the first things that I actually look at first when I start trading. These are the things that I actually also try to build on, because it gives me a sense also of what stocks were the more volatile ones as well. Then you can also look at the most active stocks for that day. BPI, SM Prime, URC, Ayala Corp. So this is very helpful, especially if you want to get a sense, you want to have a snapshot of what's going on a per day basis. Then aside from that, you can also swipe again. You get to see all of the news naman that's happening, all of the disclosures that the PSE would give. It's all written there as well. So what's nice about this, it's just like you're having your own online platform. The detail, the depth of analysis that you get from a normal website, you get it from this app. Then you also get to see, since this is a First Metro Sec app, you get to see all retweets and disclosures also that somehow will help you also if you want to analyze the markets. Then, eto pa, aside from that, you get to see this, click stock. you can analyze the stocks that you want. And what's nice about it, if you see the left and the right hand side, you will see to the left, if you want to buy Ali, you just need to press buy. If you want to sell Ali, you just need to press sell. It's so easy. So for example, I want to look at, say, Ayala Corp. Ayala Corp, search. I see the data of Ayala Corp there. I want to look at, say, Pure Gold. I type Pure Gold, then all of the, Pure Gold, then all of the data for Pure Gold is there. Also, I want to look at, say, Megaworld Property Development. I have all of the details of Megaworld from the tip of my fingertips. But not just that, it doesn't stop there. Of course, all of this bid and ask prices for those who are investing, this is normal for you. You also see the transactions and the ease, no, of pressing buy and sell right from that screen is so nice. It's so easy. It's so robust. Anyways, aside from that, you have this. You get to know, especially for those who are newbies in the stock market, you get to have a profile of the company. So regardless of what you want to see, what company would you like? For example, you want to look at, let's look at, let's say, Aboitiz Power. You get to see all of the details, who the board, what the company is, who the board members are, everything that's pertinent about the company, you get to see it here. What else can you see? If you want to research more, what's nice about this is you have a consensus whether you should buy or sell the stock, meaning they rate it also. They're actually saying that they have a 4.5 rating they're telling you to add. Then you have the consensus target on what analysts believe the fair value of the company is. They actually believe that AP is worth 45.9 pesos per share at the high side, and at the low side it's 38, but the average consensus target for AP is at 41.69 pesos per share. So for those who love fundamentals like me, you have pertinent information already, ratios that are here that will help you also decipher. What's nice about it now, what I love about the internet is data news that's hard to get in the 90s, where you had to rely on newspapers, you had to call someone. Now it's at the tip of your fingertips, especially if you're an OFW. Everything right now, this is the internet. This app is the great equalizer, that it's not as hard as what most people think it is anymore, that you get to analyze the data that a lot of people have, that brokers have, that sophisticated investors have. You have it also at the tip of your fingertips. For those who love charts is here as well. You get to analyze it from a 1-day perspective, 1-month perspective, 3-month perspective, 6-month perspective, 1-year perspective, year-to-date perspective. Then you can zoom out up until 5 years. Then you can somehow at least have a sense already where it is. Is it in a downtrend? Is it ranging? Is it ranging / sideways? Is it moving in a downtrend? So if you are on the go, especially the 1-day movement, it gives you a sense already. Where is it? Where are people buying and selling? So of course, nothing beats analyzing the charts from your laptop, because you get to see it, put more indicators as well. But if you're busy, you still get to track it. But not just that. When you see that there's a buy signal, click buy, click sell, that easy, that fast. Everything you need to know, everything that will allow you to win, everything that will allow you to trade is now in your fingertips. What else? You get to see stock info. I've showed this already. Buyers, sellers. You can also see some quick quotes for the stock, the top 5 buyers, top 5 sellers. Then you can also see times and sales, the specific transactions for the stock. Then you get to see this. This is something that's very interesting. It's so visual, guys. This is one of my favorite features of this app, is that top 5 buyers, top 5 sellers, the top brokerages also that are buying, top brokerages that are selling. CLSA, Abacus, SB Equity, Astra, and Timson is buying AP. They've put a larger amount in it. Then you also have Mandarin, JP Morgan, Astra, UBS, TP Daiwa also selling naman. What's interesting also, for example, I want to search SM Prime Holdings. So if I search SM Prime Holdings, there you go. You get to see the top buyers and sellers for the stock. At this point, SM Prime is at 40.80 pesos per share. You see this broker registered the top 5 buyers. PEP, Papa, CLSA, UBS, RCBC, then sellers, Papa, CLSA, UBS, PP, and Macquarie. What's interesting about this is it's so visual. It's easy to see, it's easy to use, it's easy to understand as well. It's easy to grasp. Even if you don't have a background in the market, you could still This is something that's easy for you to use. It's not something that's intimidating. I've been in the market for more than 10 years already. This allows you, even if you're an entry-level person, that you can easily transact it because it's so user-friendly. And of course, the internet has changed everything. But you know what's so interesting about this? It's so user-friendly that if you want to buy a stock, it's one button buy, one button sell, and you're done. It's not as hard, it's not as complicated, it's not as nosebleed as what everyone else thinks it is. So if you want to also go to your portfolio, click portfolio, and then you get to see a list of the stuff that you own. Then you can also click your watch list, meaning these are stocks that you've already predefined that you want to watch. So for example, I want to go to the third list, the third number of stocks in my watch list. So you can predefine it also based on the ones that have a lot of volume. You can predefine it also based on the ones that have moved up. You can predefine it also based on the ones that have moved down as well. So it's easily customizable. It's so interesting because it's so easy to use regardless of where you are in life and what you're actually doing. So my recommendation is this app, First Metrosec Go, is so easy to use. Regardless if you're young, you're old, it's something that you can easily understand. If you are busy, this is something that will allow you to transact wherever you are in the world. That's why I keep on saying that the internet has changed everything, because as the internet has changed everything, this gives you a semblance that you get to transact, you get to buy and sell wherever you are in the world. And no matter how busy you are, it's no longer an excuse for you because you can trade with this app wherever you are and whatever you're doing as well. So I like to encourage you, take the time to study, because it's not as hard anymore to invest in the stock market because you have an app that will allow you to have all of the research that you need, the charts that you need, the news that you need to be able to decide and to be able to win in the stock market. Today, we are no longer in the 80s and the 90s where your ability to be able to break down information is hard. Everything right now is in the app. All you need to do is to study, take the time to know which stocks fit your portfolio that you should come into, which stocks fit your portfolio also that fit the risks that you're willing to take. But the tools that you need to be able to execute, the tools that you need to be able to win is already available. And you can do it wherever you are in the world in a less nosebleed fashion as well. Because one of the hindrances for a lot of people to invest is they think that the stock market is too hard to understand. And what's nice about it now is there are so many tools, there's so many apps that will allow you to trade and do it in a very, very easy fashion as well. And the reason why I keep doing these videos is that I love educating. I love creating videos that create awareness on investing. But above and beyond that, I want you to execute. Because these videos would mean nothing if you don't actually execute. You don't actually open an account. You don't actually trade. This will just be all simulation. This will all just be head knowledge. I want you to put something. If you don't put any skin in the game, then there's no game at all. I hope that as you have more money, as you start to become more prosperous, as you start to earn, I encourage you, try to learn the rudiments, download the app, try it. Put an amount that you don't plan to touch for a very, very long period of time, and that's what you invest. As long as you invest an amount of money that you don't plan to touch, you will always win. As long as you study the stocks that you want to buy, you will always win, because the tools that you need right now is right in your fingertips. So that's it for now. By the way, the First Metrosec Go app is available in the App Store, and it's also available in Google Play. So you just have to download it, and you just have to have an account with First Metrosec for you to be able to come in, for you to be able to start investing in the market. I'll put the link in the description for those who want to know more about it. For those who have questions as well, just comment them below and I will make a video about it. For those who stayed till the end, I have a surprise for you. Comment what's your favorite feature in this app. What's your favorite based on what I discussed? What's the best thing that you liked about it? The best comment will be given a 5,000 peso First Metrosec ETF credit that will be to your account. It's real money. 5,000 pesos will be given to you. So comment away. post your best comment, and the best one will be selected and you will win. By the way, from the last video, here's our winner. Congratulations to you. I hope that you get to use this 5,000 as well for you to be able to invest, and I hope it's a seed money for you to be able to be financially free as well. So I hope you guys learned a lot. I hope this is something that added tremendous value to you. I hope this is something that would educate you so that you get to trade the markets with confidence. Please remember, it's not just about the knowledge that you have, but the tools that you have that will allow you to execute to win. So this is Marvin Germo. I hope this video helps you. Trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.